Whew. It's okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a new speaker, and this mini speaker I will do the testing with my laptop. And by doing that, I connect with the USB-C into my laptop, so we will play directly with the keyboard. And now let's hear the sound. Whew, it's cool guy. As you can see, the music is so loud and the beat, well, I really like it. So let's try another song. Wait, I will turn the volume on. Whew, cool guy. As you can see, the volume of this mini speaker is not yet the highest one, but it's still good, right? So that's all for what I want to share with you guys, and thank you for watching. And yes, if you want to know more about this mini speaker, let me know in the comments, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.